Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. I'm a service technician, owner, whatever you want to call me, of a small refrigeration company here in Southern California. I have a few employees that work for me. I specialize in restaurant refrigeration. Work on refrigeration, air conditioning, ice machines, exhaust fans, all that good stuff. The only thing I don't work on is the cooking equipment, the hot side equipment, the fryers, the flat tops, the ovens, the grills. I don't tend to get into that stuff. Not because I can't, but just because I'm busy enough dealing with all the refrigeration. I started making these videos as a training method for the employees that work for me. Just, because not everybody can be with me at all times, and I tend to take the really difficult calls. So I figured, hey, why not start videoing these? Instead of telling the guys about them, I can show them what I find. So that's why I started making these videos. Then I kind of figured, hey, let's make them public. Why not? If I'm trying to show my guys something, I might as well try to show you guys something too. My way is not the only way. I do not know everything. I have a very minimal amount of knowledge, I think. But I think I have a specialized amount of knowledge in this little sector of the industry that I work in. So I have a very methodical way of doing things. I realize that I'm I'd even say maybe a little ridiculous in the way that I do things, but I like to approach them a certain way so that way I get good results out of it. I tend to try to do my service work the smartest way that I know possible to try to make my job go easier. I like to try to work smarter, not harder, is what I tend to say sometimes. Regardless, if you guys have questions, throw them in the comments section, or if you go into the show notes of any one of my videos, you'll see an email address in there. It's hvacrvideos@gmail.com. Send me an email if you got any questions, or just throw them in the comments. I really appreciate if you guys give me a thumbs up on my videos. If you're interested in any of my social media, it's also in the show notes of any one of my videos. There's Instagram, a Twitter, Facebook. I share the videos on all of them. There's also a Patreon account if you guys are wanting to support me. Hey, it's all appreciated, whatever you guys can do. If not, no big deal. I don't make these to make money, okay? I'm just making the videos just because I want to help people. Also, on a side note, I am always looking for employees, whether they be experienced technicians or apprentices. If you guys like what you see, if you like the work that I do, if you think you can work with me, hey, send me an email. I'd love to look over your resume. I'd love to give you a shot. Anyways, again, my name is Chris, and thank you guys very much for watching my videos.